Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to see your liked posts on Instagram. First things first, open Instagram. To see your liked posts, you have to have liked posts, so I'm going to quickly like some random posts. And while I do this, I will also do a shameless plug. If my content is helpful in any form, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe, because that gets my videos out to more people. Now once you've done that, go to your profile and click the three bars in the top right corner of your phone. Once you've done that, click Settings, and then click Account. Usually there would be an option that says Posts You've Liked, but as you can see here, there is no option for that. So you want to go back and click on the three bars again and click Your Activity right below Settings. After that, click the third option down, Interactions. And you can check posts you've liked and commented on. And that is how you see posts that you've liked. If you have any questions, be sure to leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time.